Ay, coffee jelly na 3 layers. O, diba? So, nakita ko lang ito sa YouTube. Ay, ang ganda. This is my coffee jelly. Oh my God. Ganda, guys. My coffee jelly for tomorrow. Yung pinakaunang layer, it's a coffee. Tapos yung nasa gitna, it's a white. Then itong nasa top na color brown, it's brown coffee. See? For my coffee jelly. Oh my God. See?